Yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll probably start to get real shaky right here. I normally don't have a problem talking, but I just want to say that the reason is because I understand the magnitude of any kind of membership with ADT, let alone a lifetime membership. So thank you so much, because it's already changing the way the trajectory of my life is going. My family, they believe in it so much, and there's a whole group of people behind me that are watching you through me, and they believe in it wholeheartedly. I'm so thankful to be here in the infancy of ADT. As far as social media goes, I understand where it's going. I can see it, and it's just so amazing to hear these stories, to be around all you guys. It's affected us greatly. So I just really, really appreciate it. And I wish saying thank you was enough. It'll never be enough, but I'll do my best to always convey that message. And right now I'll say it, what I'm going to work towards is being able to do this for other people. That's something that I'm really, really looking forward to, is in the future, because I have a lifetime membership, to be able to sponsor others in memberships as well. So thank you, Coach, for just being you and doing what you do every single day. Thank you for your spirit. Thank everybody else for their spirit and what they bring to here in a positive light. It absolutely has a crazy ripple effect to other people that we don't normally see. So thank you so very much. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I really appreciate you guys.
Absolutely, man. Happy Thanksgiving. Love you, Mike.